Let's say your friend, coworker, or family member leave their computer for a minute or two and you want to play a trick on them. So this is how it goes. I'm going to go to File, Options, Proofing, Autocorrect Options, and I will replace the word the with "You look tired, please go home and take a nap." I'm going to add this, say OK again, and now if your friend or family member will try to type in a sentence that starts with the, this is what they will see. Now if you're nice, then you will not let them suffer too long and take off this option the same way. So File, Options, Proofing, Autocorrect Options, and find the one you created and just be nice and delete it. So now I can use my word again the same way, and if I want to type in the, it will let me. I hope you like this video. Please press like and share this with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.